This is a really short tutorial on using the Savefig function in matplotlib. So you've got this function that this figure that you want to save rather than display. We can see it on the screen, and when you run the code, you get your figure, but you want to save it. It's very simple. You use the Savefig function. In that, you have to name the file that you want to save. Obviously, you have to put the path in there as well. I'm going to save mine to the desktop. I'm going to call it, so I'm going to save it to users, Giles, desktop, and then I'm going to call it my new figure. I'm going to save it as a PNG. There are other options as well, so that will save the file for you. There are other options. If you don't want it to have a white background, if you'd rather it was transparent, then you can set transparent to true. That will do it. And also, if you don't want it to have a border, a big border around it, if you set bbox inches to tight, that will give you a small border. There's another one as well. There's DPI, which you can set to whatever you want. I'm not going to set that one for here, but that's an option for you. So now we run that, and we don't get an error message, which is a good sign. Our figure displays. And now when I go to my desktop, I can see here we've got my new figure, and that's what it is. That's how you do it. I hope it's been helpful for you. If you've enjoyed the tutorial and it's been of use, then please do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.